So the neuron, or what is called the nerve cell. This is the neuron of the nerve cell. A nerve is a specialized cell which receives information and transmits it in form of electrical impulses and glands. It is the structural and functional unit of the nerve system. The unit that is performing the function is the nerve cell. The neuron is composed of three main parts. You have the cell body. This is the cell body, which consists of neurons. You have the dendrons, one or two processes which gives rise to a number of short processes called the dendrites. The dendron gives rise to the dendrites, as you can see. It conveys impulses to the cell body, from here to the cell body. And you have the axon. This is the axon, a single long process from the cell body which may be covered by fatty material. These are the fatty materials known as the myelin sheet. This is the myelin sheet. As you can see it there, between a neuron and the next. Instead, there exists a single physical separation organ called the synapse. Inside is called the synapse. The synapse. So, classification of neurons. We have the afferent or the sensory neurons. What it does is that it conducts impulses from the receptor or the sensory organs to the central nervous system. We have the efferent or motor neurons. It relays impulses from the central nervous system to the effector organs, e.g. the muscles and glands. And we have the intermediate, or what is called the association neuron, transmitting impulses within the CNS. So how does this happen? Will be discussed under the mechanism of transmission of impulses by neurons. I am still going to give you a diagram that we are going to use to explain the mechanism in the next class. So you see that without neurons, there cannot be coordination. The neurons sound like your electrical wires that are connecting one part of your body to another. So when we say the central nervous system, we are looking at the brain and the spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system, I just said it is divided into two parts. We have the somatic and the autonomic nervous system. While the autonomic is divided into the sympathetic system and the parasympathetic system. So we are going to get that in details. Thank you for being part of today's class.